Okay, so what are a longitude? Longitude क्या है? To fix the position of a palace. It is necessary to know something more than the latitude of that palace. You can see, for example, that Tonga Island in the Pacific Ocean and Mauritius Island in the Indian Ocean are situated on the same latitude. Now, in order to locate them precisely, we must find out how far east or west these places are from a given line or of reference running from the North Pole to the South Pole. These lines too of reference are called the meridians of longitude. Look at this is the longitude, and North Pole and the distance between them are measured in the degree of longitude. Each degree is further divided into minutes and minutes into seconds. They are a semicircle and the distance between them decreases steadily polewards until it becomes zero at the poles where all the meridians meet. Unlike parallels of latitude, all meridians are of equal length. Thus, it was difficult to number the meridians. Hence, all countries decided that the count should begin from the meridian which passed through Greenwich, where the British Royal Observatory is located. This meridian is called the prime meridian. Its value is 0 census longitude, and from it we count 180 eastward as well as 180 westward. The prime meridian and 180 census meridian divided the Earth into two equal halves, so the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Therefore, the longitude of a palace is followed by the letter E for the east and west, W for the west. It is however interesting to note that 180 east and 180 west meridian are on the same line. Now look at the grid of the parallaxes of latitude and meridians of longitude on the globe. You can locate any point on the globe very easily if you know it is latitude and longitude. For example, Dhubri in Assam is situated at 26 and latitude and 19 longitude. Find out the point where these two lines cut each other. That point will be the location of Dhubri. To understand this, certainly draw an equidistant vertical and horizontal lines on a paper. Label the vertical rows with numbers and horizontal rows with letters. Draw some small circles randomly on points where these horizontal and vertical lines intersect each other. Name these small circles as A, B, C, D, E, and let vertical lines represent east longitude and horizontal lines as north latitude. Now you will see that circle A is located on B and latitude and 1E longitude. Find out the location of other circle.